Hey Undertakers, just a quick video. Just hope you guys all had a great holiday. And that's kind of why I'm here. I'm going to show you some of the stuff that Santa brought me, some of my cooking related stuff, so you can look forward to those in future videos. And I hope you got what you wanted. I hope Santa was good to you. So just a few things I got. I got not one, but two new oven mitts, so you'll see those in future videos, I'm sure. I got a little bit of Maker's Mark there to help wash down after I'm done filming for the day. And to go with that, I got a couple cigars to go that goes great with that, so that'll come in handy for me. Santa decided to bring me some potted meat. I don't know what I'll do with that yet, but we'll figure something out to do with it. We'll eat it. I got two new silicone mats, a red one and a blue one. So I'm sure you'll see those used quite a bit. I got another really big silicone mat, and it's got some little cheating charts on it, little diagram for rolling out dough and everything. I'm sure I'm going to get a lot of use out of that. I look forward to trying that out. I got a mushroom growing kit. So I think I might do a video about this. It'll take a long time to do the video because you have to like soak the mushrooms overnight and then they grow right out of this box. And then I think it says they're ready to harvest like in 10 or 12 days. So when I start doing this, I'll work on a video and show you guys start to finish in a video how my mushrooms are coming out. And my last big thing, Santa brought me an Instant Pot. So I got the 8-quart Lux Instant Pot. Now this box is empty. I already took the Instant Pot out. I washed it, and the directions in there, they suggest that before you use it, that you do like a little test run in it to make sure everything's working properly. So basically you put a little water in there and steam it just to make sure that it forms a seal and everything, which it did. So I've been doing some Instant Pot research and recipes, so we'll see what we're going to make in there. But that's kind of what Santa brought me that's going to relate to what we do together. And so look forward to those videos coming out. I'll probably start posting again probably next week after the New Year's is here. So I got some videos already made. I've got ideas for some other ones. So we'll get back on track. So Happy New Year to you guys. Be careful, be safe, have fun, and we'll see you on the next one.